Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. Today, let's learn about the relationship of me and Allah. So, what do I mean by relationship of me and Allah? Let's learn. So, I mean that when we are born and we interact with our families, we interact with our friends, we make our friends, we have our family and our dad and mom. So our relationship between our mom and dad is so deep, and our relationship is that they say us son, we are their child. But the relationship of me, a person, and his Lord is very deep, is very different from that relationship which we have with our dad and mom and our friends. Because this is I'm talking about the relationship of the whole of the whole creator of the whole universe. I'm talking about the relationship between me and Allah. So he is the big part. He's more bigger than he's more powerful than our mom and dad, and he is the one from whom our first relationship is. Even if we are very small, even if we are born, even if we don't know about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala so much, but still the point is that we when we grow up, so we have this curiosity that who made this whole world in which we are living, who made us, who made all of these things which we see every time, who made our brain, who made us so much smart. He is the Lord of the whole universe, from which we have a deep our relationship with him. And there is only one love in a person's heart. That love can be of mom and dad, that love can be of Allah or any other thing, any other wish of his. But one thing which I want to tell you, that I know I'm talking to kids especially, that you guys love your mom and dad because they kiss you every time, they hug you, and they buy you so many things. But how do they kiss you and buy you and do all of those things to you? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala puts things in their mind that do good with your children, do all of the things. So who is the one from whom we have to love more than our dad and mom first? He is the one, the creator of the whole universe. He is Allah. So this is our relationship, a very deep, a vast relationship with Allah. And as you know that we don't have to live every time in this dunya. We have to go one day to from this earth. So we are only a relative, we can say. We come sometimes and after that we go, and then we never come back. So we only have to decide one love in our heart. Our heart is not made up of 2 hearts or 3 hearts. It is made up of only one heart. One love can only be placed in that heart. So that love, every time, even if you love your mom and dad, they always say to you that son, love Allah. So why do they say this? The purpose is that to teach you about how Allah loves you. Now let's learn about how can we talk with Allah. Many people say that yes, we can understand the relationship of us and Allah, but how can we talk with Allah? He is not a physical human being who talks to us, but he is the creator, and he talks by his book Quran. He talks by namaz. He talks in physical reactions and things. For example, I am giving you an example that few days ago, I was asking a question to my mom, and she didn't know about it. And then I learned Quran. I am taking out the meaning of Quran. I learned the Quran. So I just saw a Quranic verse and I took its meaning. So it was a coincidence that verse of Quran was the same answer of my question which I was doing a few days ago. So I was shocked, and my mom told me that yes son, this is true, that no matter what, Allah give us reactions of everything we do. He warns us sometimes, He teaches us sometimes. We get something from Allah. So these are the things, dear brothers and sisters. These are the relationship which we have with Allah. This is the great relationship, greatest relationship in the whole world. So these are the things, dear brothers and sisters. Thank you very much.